Nissan Leaf just sold 400,000 cars worldwide. I'll tell you all the details right after this. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today is a very special video. It's just announced by Nissan that they have reached and probably exceeded 400,000 Nissan Leafs pure electric sold around the world. They started in December of 2010, and now in March 2019, a little over than 8 years, they have sold more pure electric cars than any car manufacturer. Now, Tesla is breathing them down their neck with over 300,000 Teslas sold around the world. But still, you know, you give credit where credit is due. And I know I owned the Nissan Leaf. It was one of my favorite cars, and I was very sorry that I don't have it anymore, that I had to sell it. It's a great car. Now you can find so many criticism. The active cooling battery, and the first model was ugly, and this and that and the other. You cannot argue with results. Results are a powerful thing. At the end of the day, they sold the most cars ever in the world as a pure electric. By the way, the sound that you heard was Tesla warning, collision warning. Somebody was cutting the road, but Tesla did the job and slowed and stopped. So 400,000, and the reasons, the main reason is that Nissan Corp just makes them. They make this car. It's produced in three locations: in Opama, Japan, in Sunderland, England, and in Smyrna, Tennessee. And they are produced, they are advertised, and they are sold. And when you do that, you are going to be successful. And that is the secret to success. Now, it happened to be a wonderful car. The new model just came out, the 2019, with the 226 miles. It is available. They are now advertised, and there's inventory all over the place. Tesla covered 10 billion kilometers, which is 6 billion miles since it was started to be sold. It saved 3.8 barrels of oil that was not consumed because of the use of a pure electric car. It is in 50 markets globally. That's what I mean. That's what I mean when I say it is produced and sold. It is a bestseller in Europe. In 2018, it sold over 40,000, especially in Norway. So the bottom line is, when you are committed to something, you are going to be set. Now, is it going to continue? Are other manufacturers going to take over them? I don't think it matters, because there's room for everybody. It's a very wonderful car, especially if you get one in second hand. It's a very wonderful car. It is available, like I said. There are Nissan dealers all over the place, meaning you can service it. You can find exchangeable parts if you need. That's why it's good to buy a popular, very sold car, because you can maintain it for many, many years to come. That's very important. And I think that their commitment to making them and selling them is what made it successful. Now, I know that there are a lot of competition for them, but the competitions like Hyundai, especially in the United States, and Kia, they sell very few because they make very few. I mean, Kia Soul EVs sold nothing last year. Nothing, I mean, very, very few. Same thing with the Hyundai and all that. They're wonderful cars, they're wonderful options, but they don't make them, so they don't sell them. There's nothing to buy. Okay, the only one that is charging and it's going to overtake them are the Teslas, because they are made and they are sold, and there's an effort to sell them all over the world. And Nissan Leaf is that one. So kudos to Nissan Leaf. Say whatever you want about them. Kudos to Nissan Leaf. They have accomplished some. It's still the best EV sold in history. It's not like only now. I mean, ever. Nobody sold more, and it's a major accomplishment. They were the first one to ever sell in mass production, in what I called economy prices, meaning prices that are good for everyone. All right, you can still get a 2018 150 miles range now, and there are plenty of them as well to be had. All right, so that's it. Congratulations to Nissan Leaf, my favorite electric car. All right, and thank you for watching. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And see you tomorrow, guys. Another video.